Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing problem. So here's what you're gonna do. Go to search, type in settings. Once it opens, you wanna click system. Now you wanna click display. You wanna click graphics. Once it opens, you wanna click here, advanced graphics settings. And you wanna disable this hardware accelerator scheduling. You wanna disable this. And now restart your PC. And after restart your PC, your game should work properly. It shouldn't crash. Now, if that doesn't work, you can try fixing the FPS in your NVIDIA app. So right click on NVIDIA and click control panel. And once it opens, you want to click here, manage 3D settings. You want to click program settings and you want to find, click here. And you want to find like Forza Horizon 6. I'll use Roblox as an example. And you want to scroll a bit till you find max frame rate. And it will say here off. You want to click on it. And you want to click on and then max it out on like whatever kind of display you have or GPU. So if you're like playing on 60 FPS, then you want to cap it at 60. If you have like 120 at 120. Try at 120 even if you have like 240 hertz monitor, and then see, and then in game you want to put it on unlimited and it will limit it through the NVIDIA app and your game should work properly. That's it for this video. That's how you fix Forza Horizon 6 crashing on startup problem. Hopefully this video helped you guys. Like, subscribe, comment down below. See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.